Hey, what's happening? Well, I've been following this carnivore lifestyle for 2 months now, and I've lost 26 pounds. I'm feeling better every day. Oh, and I had to go buy a new belt, so I know I'm losing inches and not just pounds. And I kept the promise to myself to start exercising and incorporated getting it out into nature as part of my daily routine.